In this video, you will see a concentration type game for matching bars with the same shaded amount. A strategy for this game, other than remembering what bars have been turned over, is knowing the number of parts for each color of the bars. For example, a green bar has 2 parts and may be half shaded. A yellow bar has 3 parts and will never be half shaded. Now we're going to play a new game. It's called 4 Up. I'll do that right over here, because this is a kind of a central place. We're going to lay all the bars down, okay, and spread them out in rows and columns. This is like concentration. Do you know the game concentration?
Yeah.
You turn all the cards upside down, and then you turn over 2 and try to find 2 that are the same.
So if you look over here, it's going to really help you be able to understand how to play. It's kind of like memory.
Yeah, once you can stand up, you guys back there, and you can see what we're doing. So you can get a good idea. So we're going to lay these out. Now she's going to turn over 4 bars, any 4, and she's going to try to find 2 that have the same shading. Now, do any of those have the same shading?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yep, the 2 whole bars.
So am I happy?
Yeah,
I'm going to take them. Now it's my turn. It's a little hard to...
she's always happy whenever she beats me. Ellen picked up these 2 whole bars.
And so I took these, but you know, my turn is not over because there's only 2 facing up and there needs to be 4 facing up that don't have. So I get to keep going.
Wow.
Are there 2? Okay, Connor and Elena, right away.
So she
I'm going to
keeps
take
playing.
these 2. So
Ellen also picked up these 2 0 bars.
then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do any of those match? No. They don't match. So I'm going to turn these over, and now it's his turn.
I know at this point that I'm getting beaten, so I know the green are either half shaded or all shaded. So, wow, that's a half. There it is right there. Okay, so I got...
So even though he hasn't turned over 4, he can take
These
those.
are
He can keep taking them.
same amount of shading, so... Professor Bennett picked up these 2 half bars. I got 2 now. I'm going to turn over this one. Now, one of these was a whole bar here. That might be a whole bar. Oh, that's a 0. Did you get the whole green?
Yes, I did. I was going to tell you, but I didn't know to
sleeping.
mention.
Now I got 1 more, right? Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky. I was going to...
Okay, so now he...
trouble. Professor Bennett also picked up these 2 bars. I can turn over 2 more, right? Okay, let me turn over this one. Ooh, another half. That helps me. No. Okay.
You got any matches, Parker?
Okay. I turn them upside down.
No, no.
Oh, I got a match. Thank you. You are a good sport. With the help of the class, Professor Bennett won these 2 bars.
Who's going to play here? Elena and Parker? Okay, great. Excellent. Go ahead and start. And you can do rock, paper, scissors to find out who goes first.
There's no such thing This man doesn't want to win, so he keeps on turning over this.
He's letting you win?
Yeah, he just keeps on turning over this. Yeah, so now
Well, Pappy, you're a gentleman to let her win.
it's your turn. So I'm
Papa's
doing
letting
if
Elena
you
win.
miss I find
He's another Johnny Depp.
So like
Oh, pretty good. Very good.
Okay,
Good. They do match.
oh, there's already 4.
That's
No,
too bad.
there's already
Okay.
4. See?
Now you can turn over 4 more.
No match. Hit it back. That's it. So I put this card and oh.
Kevin's turn.
And so the thing like
That's a whole bar.
so what?
Okay, count. You see where those are? There's a whole bar. There's the 3 parts. There's 2 red and 3 red. Okay? So now Carla can turn.
No, that's not a match.
I know.
Yeah, good for you.
Okay, Carla can bring 4. Okay, right now.
4. Yeah, that's 4.
I mean, you both got 3 cards, but that's what you're
Go.
We need you down as a half. Matching bars with the same shaded amount, as in the game you have just seen, is background for equality of fractions. You may have noticed how quickly these young people are to recognize 2 bars with the same shaded amount. In fact, in one case, some of the students saw the matching before the teacher.